Hello and welcome back to STEAM with Steve. Today we're going to go through the homework for the distribution law in algebra. So let's jump on in. These are the types of questions you're going to get. So it's basically expanding the brackets. So remember, we're going to go symbol number variable, then the symbol number variable each time that we do this. So here we go. So first of all, this is Dr. Frost. And this is number 11. Distribution law. Let me highlight that because we'll make our teachers' lives that much easier. Cool. Here we go. Let's move that over there. Question 1. So 9 lots of 3y plus 5x. So do that times that. So symbol positive number is 27 and then y. The symbol positive makes positive. 9 5s are 45. And we jam an x on the end. Number 2, we've got 3 lots of 2b plus 5x. So the symbol, positive makes a positive. The number, 3 2s are 6, and then the variable, we've got a b. Positive makes a positive, 3 5s are 15, and we jam an x on the end. Number 3, so this one we've got negative 8 lots of 5x plus a. So negative and positive in this case makes a negative. 5 8s are 40, and then we jam an x. Hang on, let's go again. So it's negative 40x. And the negative and positive makes a negative. 8 times 1 just gives you 8, and then we put an a on the end. Question number 4. So we have 5y bracket 2y minus 3. So from here, a positive makes a positive. 5 times 2 gives us 10. And then y times y actually equals y squared. Positive and negative makes a negative. 5 times 3 is 15. And then we jam a y on the end. Number 5, we've got negative 2 bracket 2y plus 5a. So a negative and positive makes a negative. 2 times 2 is 4, and then we put a y. Negative and positive makes a negative. 2 times 5 is 10, and then we go a. Number 6, so we've got negative 6 lots of 7p minus 4. So a negative and positive gives us a negative. 6 times 7 is 42, and then a p. Negative and negative makes a positive, then 6 4s are 24. Number 7, 2 lots of 3a plus 2 plus 6. So 2 times 3 gives us 6a. And then plus 2 times 2 is 4. And then plus 6. So the 6 was outside of the whole thing. So now we have a 4 plus a 6, which then we can group together. And we get 6a plus 10. Number 8, we have 4 plus 6 lots of 2z plus 3. So the 4 stays on the front, and then this time we're going to go positive and positive makes a positive. 6 times 2 is 12, and then a z. Positive and positive again makes a positive, and then we've got 18. So we'll put the 12z at the front, and then 4 plus 18 gives us 22. Question 9, so we've got 3a minus 1. So 3a stays on the front because it's not inside brackets. And this is the same as negative 1. So negative 1 times that, we just negify everything. So it becomes minus a and then plus 1. Now we can group. So 3a take away a just leaves us with 2a minus 1. Number 10, so we've got 5y bracket 3y minus 5b minus 5x. So 5y times 3y. So first of all, we get a positive, and then 5 3s are 15. And then y times y equals y squared. Next one, we've got a positive and negative, so the connecting is a negative. 5 5s are 25. And then y times b gives us by. Positive and negative again makes a negative. 5 5s are 25. And then this time we have xy. Okie dokie, next one. So we got 11. So we've got 2b bracket 3b minus 3r minus 5. So the first step is we get 6b squared. Then we got a negative. 2 times 3 is 6, so that's 6br. Positive and negative makes a negative, so that's 10b. Number 12. So we've got two lots of 4z minus x minus 1 minus 5. So it equals 8z minus 2x minus 2 minus 5. And then we can group stuff together. So we've got 8z minus 2x minus 7. 13. This is going to get a little bit more hectic. So we've got two lots of 1 plus x plus 3 lots of 2b plus 4. So 2 times 1 gives us 2 plus 2x plus 6b plus 12. And then we group the things together. So we get 6b plus 2x plus 14. Then 14. So we got 4 lots of m plus 6 plus 5 lots of 1 plus m. So that gives us 4m plus 24 plus 5 plus 5m, which gives us 9m plus 29. Radio 15. So we've got 4 lots of 5w minus 1 minus 5 lots of 2x plus 5. So that expands to give me 20w minus 4 minus, is it 10? Yeah, 10x minus 25, which then gives us 10w minus 29. 16. So we've got 5x bracket 5 minus x minus 5 minus 4x. So that times that gives us 25x minus 5x squared minus 5 plus 4x, because we've got to swap the symbol around. So then again, I prefer having the most powerful thing out the front. So we've got minus 5x squared. 25x plus 4x gives us plus 29x minus the 5. 17. So we've got 5 lots of 5x plus w plus 2y minus 2x minus 6w. So this gets 5 times 5x, which becomes 25x. 5 times w gives us 5w. 5 times that gives us plus 10y. And then we negify and swap the things. So we get negative 2x plus 6w. Group the x's, so 25x plus 2x gives us 23x. 5 plus 6 gives us plus 11w. And then plus 10y. 18. So we've now got 3x brackets 2x plus 3 plus 2x bracket 6x plus 7. So 2x times 3x, 3x times 2x gives us 6x squared plus 9x plus 12x squared plus 14x. Group the x squareds, so that becomes 18x squared plus 23x. 19. So you got 4x bracket 4x plus 7 minus 2x bracket 6x minus 7. So if we expand that, we get 16x squared plus 28x minus 12x squared plus 14x. Group the like terms, so that becomes 4x squared. And then 38, 42 plus 42x. 20. So now we've got an x squared out the front, and it's exactly the same process. So number, positive and positive makes positive. 5 threes gives us 15. X squared times this becomes just x squared. Positive and negative becomes a negative. 5 times 2 is 10. Then x squared times x cubed actually gives us x to the power of 5. So that's the same as x times x times x times x times x. So there should be 5 values there. Awesome. 2 to go. Here we go. So 21. We've got a to x cubed bracket 4 minus 5x squared. So a positive and positive equals a positive. 4 times 8 is 32. X cubed. Positive and negative makes negative. 5 eighths are 40. Then x squared times x cubed gives us x to the power of 5. And the last one, bit of a beast. Here we go. So we've got 4 lots of y squared, z squared, times 2 to the power x to the power of 4 times z, plus 5 lots of x to the power of 3, y to the power of 3, z to the power of 2. First step, symbol positive and positive makes positive. 4 times 2 is 8. And then we do the variables. So we've got an x times x to the power of 4, which then gives us x to the power of 5. Then we have a y squared by itself. And then we have a z squared times z, which then gives us z to the power of 3. Next one, we've got a positive and positive, which makes a positive. 5 times 4 gives us 20. Then we have x times x to the power of 3, which gives us x to the power of 4. Y squared times y to the power of 3 gives us y to the power of 5. And then z squared times z squared gives us z to the power of 4. Done. So hopefully you've picked up some patterns there. It's really important that we just follow the brackets. So do the symbol, number, variable, and going through and grouping it. And then the other trick is when you see indices, so anything to the power of 2 times, another variable to the same variable to the power of 2, you add the indices together. So that's it from me. If you did enjoy this video, please give us a like and subscribe, as it does help with that YouTube algorithm. And yeah, see you next time on STEAM with Steve. Adios.